Hey everyone, welcome back to Universe Untangled. If you're a fan of stargazing or just curious about the wonders of the night sky, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of planetary elongation. If you've ever wondered what it is and how you can observe it yourself, you've come to the right place. In astronomy, what is meant by elongation is the angular distance between two celestial bodies relative to a certain reference point. For example, the angle between the center of the Moon's disk and the center of the Sun's disk for observers on the Earth's surface. Elongation can also refer to the angular distance of a celestial body from other celestial bodies surrounding it or from a certain point in the sky. For example, the easternmost or westernmost position of a star with reference to the north celestial pole. The greatest or maximum possible elongation of the two inferior planets or inner planets, a term referring to planets closer than the Earth to the Sun, is about 48 degrees for Venus and about 28 deg for Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. Mercury is now in the west after sunset. Its position will rise higher in the western twilight every night when Mercury races towards its greatest elongation. Its greatest apparent distance from the Sun when seen from Earth's sky will appear on July 22, 2024. The occurrence of Mercury's maximum eastern elongation is the best time to observe this inner planet closest to the Sun. Mercury will appear at its farthest distance from the Sun in the night sky. For your information, Mercury is the planet closest to the Sun and is the smallest planet in the solar system. The planet has a large iron core that accounts for about 3/4 of its mass. In contrast, Earth's iron core accounts for only 1/3 of its mass. Look west, towards the setting Sun, to look for Mercury. Greatest elongation. Mercury will be farthest from the Sun in Earth's sky dome, at its greatest elongation, namely on July 22, 2024. At that time, Mercury will be 27 degrees from the Sun in Earth's sky. Brightness. Mercury appears very bright when it rises in the night sky. At night, after experiencing its greatest elongation, Mercury will dim quickly as it shoots out from behind the Earth. The planet will disappear in early August 2024 and will reach inferior conjunction on August 19th. And that's it for our guide on planetary elongation. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're excited to go out and observe this fascinating phenomenon yourself. Remember, all you need is a clear sky, a bit of patience, and the right tools to enjoy the wonders of the night sky. Whether you're observing the planets in the morning or evening, planetary elongation offers a unique and rewarding experience. If you have any questions or need further tips, feel free to leave a comment below. I love hearing from you and helping you on your stargazing journey. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and share it with your fellow stargazers. Your support really helps the channel grow. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. We've got a lot more exciting content on the way, from stargazing tips to deep dives into the mysteries of the universe. Thanks for joining me on this cosmic adventure. Until next time, keep looking up and enjoy the beauty of the stars. Clear skies, everyone. This is Universe Untangled, signing off. See you in the next video.